Volunteering changed my life forever. Let's get started. Hi Peter, you look so refreshed today.
Thanks, Amy. I've been volunteering with a homeless outreach group. It's been uplifting. How have you been feeling lately?
Honestly, a bit drained. Work feels repetitive. Maybe that's why I'm curious about your volunteering.
I used to feel the same way before I started. Volunteering gave me new energy. We do different things, like serving meals, collecting surplus food, and spending time with people. Would you like me to tell you how the meal distribution works?
Yes, but first, does it actually give you joy, or is it tiring?
Surprisingly, it gives me energy. We meet at the community kitchen, pack hot meals, and head out. Would you be comfortable joining a shift like that?
I think so, though I'd worry about safety. How do you manage that?
A coordinator plans routes, pairs volunteers, and shares safety guidelines. Have you ever done community service before?
Only small school projects. Nothing like this. What supplies do you usually bring?
Insulated food carriers, gloves, masks, bottled water, and info cards for shelters. Do you think you'd prefer distributing meals or collecting surplus food from bakeries?
Collecting food sounds doable. How do you arrange that?
We partner with bakeries. Volunteers pick up unsold bread and pastries in the afternoon. Would you enjoy talking with bakery owners and building those connections?
Yes, I like that idea. But what happens if the food isn't safe?
We use sealed containers and deliver everything the same day. Honestly, most bakeries are happy to help. Do you enjoy chatting with people?
I do, though I'm shy at first. Is building friendships with homeless people difficult?
Not at all. A warm greeting and a meal open doors. Over time, trust grows. How do you usually start conversations with strangers?
I ask simple questions, like about their day. Does that work here too?
Exactly. And if someone doesn't want to talk, we respect that. Even a smile matters. Would you like to hear a story from one of my experiences?
Definitely.
One man once taught me how to fix a bicycle. Another shared childhood recipes. Those moments stay with me. Do you enjoy listening to stories?
Yes, especially when they carry wisdom. Do you ever feel drained after these talks?
Sometimes, but mostly I feel grateful. The conversations remind me of resilience. Have you ever met someone whose story changed your perspective?
Yes, a patient once told me about overcoming hardship. It stuck with me. Do you think volunteering changes your outlook?
Completely. It taught me gratitude and resilience. What motivates you most in life?
Family, mostly. But I'd like to feel more connected to society. Does volunteering help with that?
Absolutely. It builds community ties and reduces isolation. Would you like to join a shift next weekend?
I'm tempted. What should I bring?
Comfortable shoes, water, a jacket, and an open heart. Do you prefer mornings or evenings?
Mornings. Do you have weekend shifts?
Yes, bakery pickups and morning distributions. Would you like to try that first?
That sounds perfect. How do you keep morale high among volunteers?
We celebrate milestones, share stories, and host casual meetups. Do you enjoy team activities?
Very much. Do volunteers ever become close friends?
Yes, many friendships form. Some even start projects together. Would you like to meet the team before your first shift?
That would help. Do you think I'll fit in?
Definitely. Everyone brings something unique. What skills do you think you'd contribute?
Organization and empathy. Do you need those?
They're invaluable. Logistics and kindness keep everything running. Do you want to hear how we coordinate surplus food?
Yes, please.
We schedule pickups, map drop-off points, and use WhatsApp for updates. Would you be comfortable helping with coordination?
I think so. Do you ever face challenges with transport?
Sometimes, but volunteers share cars or use the van. Do you drive?
Yes, I could help. Do you ever get emotional during shifts?
Occasionally, but we debrief as a team. How do you usually handle emotional stress?
Talking helps. Do you have support systems for volunteers?
Yes, peer support and self-care resources. Would you like me to share those with you?
That would be great. Do you think volunteering helps careers too?
Definitely. It builds teamwork, leadership, and communication skills.
That would be useful. Do you think I'll enjoy the experience?
I'm sure you will. Gratitude from people is powerful. Even the smallest gestures can brighten someone's day.
I'd be happy if I could make someone smile.
That's already a big step. Small acts often grow into lasting change. For example, families sometimes volunteer together. Kids hand out fruit or water, and it teaches them empathy.
That sounds wonderful. Maybe my family could join later.
Absolutely. And the more people get involved, the stronger the program becomes. With steady partnerships and committed volunteers, the work keeps going year after year.
That makes sense. I'd like to help in different ways too.
You could. Beyond serving meals, we also raise funds through bake sales, donation drives, and small community events. Since you've organized events before, you'd be great at it.
I'd enjoy that. I like planning and bringing people together.
Perfect. Your skills would make a real difference. And honestly, volunteering changes how you see life. You feel more grateful, more resilient, and more connected.
That's inspiring. I think I'm ready to give it a try.
Fantastic. Welcome aboard. Together we'll make a real difference.